His name is Blogger Rangzen. He put himself on fire in front of UN. It took 30 seconds. He was standing and he followed. He took his life not because he don't want to live, because he felt that by doing that, he can tell the truth or suffering of Tibetan to the international community. So my community is going through such a hardship. And for me, as a community member working in the community, it's very challenging. When you have force much more powerful than you, no matter how much you try through peace and non-violence, when your words are not being heard, it's very challenging. And when people, your people look to you as a community leader for the hope, and you yourself find very difficult. When I get this opportunity to work, I get to know more about the world, how corrupt it is sometimes, how difficult it is sometimes. And I cannot tell that to my community. And for me, it's a very, very difficult, heavy, all the time, to be hopeful myself. When I got selected, when I reached here, I was a little bit nervous. I checked LinkedIn page of many of you. You guys are doing amazing things. AI, technology, policy. All my life, I worked with the people. Refugee, most vulnerable people. And for me, it was a little bit nervous, like, where is my place in that? But when I reach here, when I hear from you, when I hear from speakers, at the end, we are people, we are individuals, we want to end suffering. And that really, really inspired me. So I just want to read a quote from His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Man who had lived his life, all his life with the belief that non-violence peace is possible, irrespective of challenge. So I want to remind you that Tibetans have never gave up our hope. And when I meet with the community who are believing in the same hope and justice, it really gives me hope. What His Holiness said, never lose hope, no matter how difficult the situation. There is always way forward. World is difficult, we are in a difficult time, but we seek hope from each other and we move forward. Thank you.